Hello everybody, welcome. Now we're going to do something nice and simple today. Takes a little bit of time, but it's going to be nice and simple. And hopefully it's going to be delicious. We're going to be doing a chicken and bacon leek pie. That's what we're going to be doing, but my pie is going to be mash, cheesy mash on top. So that's what it's going to be. So let me show you what we're going to do. Right, I've got myself 2 big leeks. I've got 5 red onions, but they're only really small like that. So basically probably 2 I suppose. But they was really tiny, so I've done 5 little really small ones. I've got 500 gram of chicken breast I've diced up. Chicken medallions, I've got a whole packet of chicken medallions. Bacon medallions. I've got some mozzarella to go on top of the potatoes, some soft cheese to go in the potatoes, a bit of English mustard. I've got 350ml of chicken stock, a bit of parsley on top, and a bit of thyme to cook with all this, and some salt and pepper to taste. Oops, I've already got my potatoes on, it's just easier for me boiling there. So first things first, get straight onto it. Get my pan hot first. Right, I'm just going to use some one spray. Use whatever oil you want, I suppose. I'm just going to use one spray and about 15 sprays of it. I did have someone say to me the other week actually, 1 spray, but you got about 15 of them, 20 of them. But 1 spray means 1 calorie a spray, doesn't it? That's what it means. Doesn't mean just use it once. I want to get all me leeks and me, I'm losing all my words now, my red onions in. And we want to fry them up for a couple of minutes first. I hope my pan's big enough to do all this. Or I'll have to transfer it to a saucepan. Should be once it starts wilting down a bit. Well, they started wilting down now, looking nice. I don't think we're going to have a big enough pan. Chicken and bacon in. All this, look at all this. I haven't seasoned anything yet. I've got to get the stock in here as well, so it is going to cook. Let's give that a fry for 5 more minutes. And a bit of salt on it now. Only table salt, that's all I'm using. Right, that's been about 8 minutes now. So now I'm just going to put a teaspoon of English mustard in. Get that a little mix. Potatoes are boiling away. Get that in there, don't waste it. Get now I want my stock. I want about 300, I want to keep it a little bit because I want to put it in the potatoes. So I'm just keep a little bit at the bottom, maybe 20ml or something, not a lot. A bit more. Yeah, that'll, no, not quite that much in the spuds, don't want them too wet. Yeah, that'll do. And get my thyme in. Now we want to basically simmer that for about 15 minutes I suppose, something like that. So all them flavours incorporate. And the chicken's nearly cooked. Right, potatoes are done, I've drained them. I've left them steaming for a couple of minutes. Now I'm just going to get like a tablespoon of soft cheese in, cream cheese, whatever you want to call it. Or 2, depending on how creamy you want it. Yeah, get that open. I'll put a little bit more, because a little creamy mash. And I want to get this little bit of chicken stock in there as well. Look, pour it over there actually. So not a lot, just a little bit. And then mash away. That's nearly done as well, look. Oh yes. Oh, that's gone. And give it a mash. I'm not putting any milk in. I might put some more cream cheese in, we'll see as we go. I did put another tablespoon of cream cheese in there. Let's put a bit of salt and pepper in now. Then get a little bit of cheese in there, grated cheese, and give it another go. Not a lot, because I've got to save some for on top of the pie, so it's got cream cheese in there as well. And get all this incorporated now. There we go. I've just gave it a little taste, yes, and it's perfect with the seasoning for me. That'll do. That's done. Let's put it in some bowls. Right, I've got 2 bowls, 2 pie dishes. I'm going to have to get myself another one of them ones, because I've only got the one of them, and that one's quite a bit big. But anyway, I'm going to get some stuffing. Stuffing? I ain't got stuffing. Not all the juice in there. Oh yes. And same with this one. This bowl might be way too big. But you get the idea, don't you? Get it all in there. Get it all in. A bit more juice in there. There we go. And now just fill it with mash. I'm going to give it the rustic look. We're not having it quite yet, it's a bit early for tea. So I haven't put the oven on or anything, we're going to have it in a minute. So I'm going to wait. I could have done them in the air fryer, couldn't I crisp them up? I suppose. I don't know if they fit in the air fryer actually then, them bowls. I might have a look at that before I put the oven on. There we go, we just fork it together. Bit of a rustic look, I suppose. I'm going to probably just do some gravy granules with it, you know. That's probably what I'll do. Chicken gravy granules, just to pour over at the end. I might do that actually. Looking nice. And some cheese on top. Get that cheese on there. Simple. So the whole lot's probably took me, well, it's took me as long as to the potatoes really. And then obviously it's just got to go in the oven or the air fryer if it'll fit in. So then when I want it, either in the oven or in the air fryer it'll fit for about, till the top's golden brown. Right guys, good news, it fits in the air fryer. So I'm going to do them in the air fryer, because obviously it's a lot quicker in it. I'm going to put a big one in first. The only problem is it's quite close to the top. So I've just turned the temperature down to like 170. I'll do it one at a time, which is a bonus. And as I say, you could probably do it all in the air fryer. If you've got some like ideal home mash or something, couldn't you? And cook it all in the air fryer then, couldn't you, I suppose? Right, it's ready. They took about 10 minutes each in the air fryer to brown up. Let me show you. Got me food. There we go. They look quite nice, don't they, actually, to be honest. I've done far too much. I mean, look at the size of that one. That one is feed 4 people. It's massive, ain't it? And then the little one. As I said, I've got to get myself another one of them bowls. I'm just doing myself some gravy granules, that's all. Chicken gravy granules. So let's dish it up. Right, I've got it out. I couldn't hold the camera while I was cutting it. Let me show you now why I've got some on the plate and that. There it is. Because I've had that side because that was a bit cooler. Nat's had that one because that was done last. And she likes hers a bit hot. I don't mind either mine a bit colder. But there it is, look at it. It looks quite nice, doesn't it? I'm going to stick a bit of gravy on. Oh yes, as I say, you could have had veg with it or anything. And gravy, Bab. Could have had veg, we ain't had any veg, because there's a bit of veg in there, isn't there? Some leeks and that. So that's going to go first. I don't know if you want any more salt and pepper, Bab. It was enough for me, but I don't know if it is for you. You're getting tucked in.
Nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Nice. Let me have a go.
It's lovely.
Tasty.
Yeah. Excuse me, sorry.
The cheesy mash first. Lovely and soft, ain't it, that? Lovely, soft and creamy. Bit of the bacon. It's a bit anemic, could be fried a couple of more minutes, I suppose, but smoky medallion this is. Mine's a little bit cooler. So I can get that mine down my neck. It's got loads of steam coming on hers. Let's try the chicken. That's really nice, isn't it? Yeah, you're getting more stuck in, ain't you? Yummy. That's getting right in hers. Bit of veg would have probably been nice with it, wouldn't it? Just to fill the plate, I suppose, but you wouldn't have ate the veg anyway, would you, Bab?
I'd have had some broccoli or something.
Yeah. You should have done something nice.
There's no point when you've got...
Well, yeah, got leeks and that in there, but it's just to fill the plate, isn't it?
What cheese is on top of this?
I've got cream cheese in the middle. It's really nice, that's masses. Cream cheese in the middle with mozzarella on top. Nice, isn't it?
That's very nice.
And a bit of the juice, the chicken stock in the mash as well instead of milk.
That's nice, that is.
Nice, isn't it? It's so simple. I mean, you can put it in the oven as well. I was free to do it. I just put it in the air fryer because it's after time. And it took about, I think it was about 8 or 9 minutes each one. About 20 minutes, I suppose. Yeah, there you go. Bacon. What was it again? Chicken, bacon, leek, pie with creamy mash. Delicious. And you could probably, as I said, you could probably do it all in the air fryer. If you get some ready mash. Some Idaho or some smash, couldn't you? And you could do it all together, couldn't you? I know we don't really like ready smash, but you could, couldn't you? And just do it all in the air fryer in one go. Do the veg, do the chicken. Bit of broth in the bottom. Mash on top, crisp it up. Job's a good one. As I say, I am the old food guy. I'm going to go and eat it now because it is Mine's been there about 20 minutes now, all Nats was doing, so I'm going to go and eat it. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Final thoughts, Bab? You've had it all.
Okay, also.
Good enough. Bye.